Jogging, make your circle bigger. So you have to look, your circles get smaller. Make your circle bigger. Make your circle bigger. Go all the way to the end of the mat. That's it. Big circle. No passing. Lift those knees up. Knees up like we did before. Lift them up. And switch. Stop. Turn. Go the other direction. Ready, go.
Guard up. Go
ahead, Max. Go ahead. Go ahead, everybody. Now you're jogging the other direction. Stay way out to the end of the mat. Keep going. Keep going. Lift those knees up. Hands are up in guard position. Lift those knees up. And switch. Good. Sujat. Go. That means begin. Go. Go, Dylan. That's it. All the way around.